Today I will tell you about respiration in plant. But before knowing this, let's know about two things. First, stages of anaerobic respiration, and second, different ways of glucose oxidation. Stages of anaerobic respiration. There are only two stages of anaerobic respiration. First, glycolysis, and second, fermentation. Glycolysis is the first stage of anaerobic respiration, and fermentation is the second and last stage of anaerobic respiration. I have already told you about glycolysis. So let's know now fermentation. Fermentation is an anaerobic process. Types of fermentation. There are only two types of fermentation. First, lactic acid fermentation, and second, alcoholic fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation occurs in muscle cell in the lack of oxygen. In lactic acid fermentation, 6-carbon glucose first oxidize into 3-carbon pyruvic acid, which in turn oxidize into 3-carbon lactic acid along with the production of 2 ATP. Alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation occur in yeast cell in the absence of oxygen. In alcoholic fermentation, 6-carbon glucose first oxidize into 3-carbon pyruvic acid, which in turn oxidize into 2-carbon ethanol, 1-carbon carbon dioxide, and 2 ATP. Now know about different ways of glucose oxidation. In the absence of oxygen, 6-carbon glucose first oxidize into pyruvic acid, which in turn oxidize into 2-carbon ethanol, 1-carbon carbon dioxide, and 2 ATP. In the lack of oxygen, 6-carbon glucose oxidize into 3-carbon pyruvic acid, which in turn oxidize into 3-carbon lactic acid. Due to the accumulation of lactic acid in muscle cell, we feel muscular cramp. In the presence of oxygen, 6-carbon glucose oxidize into 3-carbon pyruvic acid, which in turn finally oxidize into carbon dioxide, water, along with either 36 or 38 ATP. Now it is the time to know about respiration in plant. Plant doesn't have a specialized respiratory organ for gaseous exchange needs, and plant doesn't require also a specialized respiratory organ because of 3 reasons. First, plant is well adapted to take care of its own gaseous exchange needs. Second, there is a little transportation of gases because of photosynthesis, during which oxygen generates and carbon dioxide is utilized. And third reason is that the gases doesn't get transported to a large distance because of the reason that most of the living cells are in close contact with the surface. Some of the living cells are arranged in a thin layer, and some of the living cells are loosely packed, leaving interconnected air space in between them. In plant, there are three types of respiratory organ, namely stomata, lenticell, and root epidermis. Stomata is found in the leaf, lenticell is found in the stem, and root epidermis is found over root. These are the respiratory organ which helps plant in exchange of respiratory gases between interior and exterior regions. On next day, I will tell you about respiration in animal. Thanks now.